How to treat dry skin. Skin that is not creating or replenishing enough sebum can become dry. Dry skin can be itchy, and it may look flaky and bumpy or have red patches. Dehydrated skin lacks water and appears dull or rough. Some potential causes of dry or dehydrated skin on the face include cold weather. 1. Wash your face daily with a mild cleanser and lukewarm water. 2. Choose skin care products suited to your skin type, oily, dry, or combination. 3. Protect your skin by wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 50 or higher. 4. Apply lotion after you shower or bathe to lock in moisture. Baryal Glamour, a luxury skincare brand, beauty beyond the boundaries. Hi everyone, Baryal presents a luxury hair and skincare brand, Baryal Glamour. In our day-to-day life, it is very hard to take care of our skin, hair and face too, in such a busy schedule and high altitude of pollution and messed up life routine. We all need something easy, something